Good morning. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make elderberry gummies. I'm Jenny and I blog at The Domestic Wildflower and I help beginners get started making homemade foods and crafts. And today we're talking about making elderberry gummies. So you can make gummy bears, you can make gummy worms, you can make gummy cubes. I'm here to tell you, making gummies is so easy. It takes like 10 minutes. They are so simple, fun to include your family, and you can pack into one recipe any super sneaky mom ingredient you want, like apple cider vinegar, gut healing beef gelatin. You can include essential oils. You can include all kinds of things. Cranberry juice for a boost of vitamin C. Whatever you want. Gelatin is amazing. That's why it was so popular in the 50s and 60s. Like gelatin desserts were such a thing, right? It's actually super good for you. And if you get a great quality beef gelatin, it's really a great thing. It's not like sugar-filled Jell-O that you would get like layered Jell-O salad at the holidays. Beef gelatin is actually super great for you, and it's super easy to work with. So on the blog, The Domestic Wildflower, where I share all kinds of homemade foods and crafts tutorials, one of my new posts is Elderberry Gummies recipe. Elderberry has long been used by people for its immune boosting benefits. I'm not a food scientist, I'm an English teacher, but I can certainly say that elderberry is delicious when sweetened. And in the recipe, I show you how to sweeten it with either honey or maple syrup or stevia, so that you're not adding any sugar to the recipe. And I link to some really great quality beef gelatin that I think you'd be happy using with your family. And there's a video that you can watch of me making the whole thing, like start to finish, making gummies, and I show you all the different kinds of molds you can try. And in the video, I show you the equipment, the ingredients, and the process. So it's like a little mini course for free. You can jump in. But in the elderberry gummy recipe, I also include cranberries because it tastes really good paired with the elderberry, and it tastes really nice with the apple cider vinegar that I add. So I guess it's more ingredients, but it's delish together, and I think probably boosts the healthfulness. You can add, oh yeah, the essential oils. I added some On Guard, some doTERRA On Guard, and that was really delicious too. And then I linked to all the different kinds of cute molds you can get. One thing about the molds, so they sell all kinds of really cute little gummy bear shaped molds, and they come with eyedroppers. And originally I thought there is no way I'm going to spend time like dropping into those molds. Those eyedroppers are amazing. They're really big, and they just made it was not as time consuming as I thought. They were like, if you want to buy one and you're on the fence, I would say go for it, because they make kids just like, they're such a good dupe for the sugar-filled real gummy bears. They're such a good fake. And they pop out super easy, and filling them up is a piece of cake with those dang eyedroppers. It's such a good invention. Such good. I'm not really one for kitchen gadgets, but those were pretty good. And I linked to those in the post. And that's it. Guys, elderberry gummies, that's where it's at. You need to make some. Gelatin is where it's at. Gelatin. It's so easy. Goodness sakes alive. Piece of cake. You can have them done in probably like in the refrigerator in 10 minutes. They're fast. So if you have any questions about making them, send them my way, but they're fun and they're good and they take almost no time.